Peace, man. Top of the morning, everybody. Same old same. Finna head up here into this place, man. You already know. Get it in. It's 4 hours. But I just wanted to tell everybody something, man. Have a good morning and a better day. Gotta feel good today, man. Even though I ain't want to wake up this damn early. It's fucking 5:19. Finna head up in here. a.m. But I'm finna get it on in. Get this little part of the day over with so I can enjoy the rest of my day. Keep it pushing. You know what I'm saying? That positive energy. You know what I'm saying? Keep everything on the up and up. Hell yeah. Gonna have a good Saturday today, man. Love life. Love family. And keep that shit moving, y'all. You already know, man. Want to send a shout out once again to everybody going through something, man. We gonna make it, man. You already know. We gonna make it. We ain't got no other choice but not to. You feel me? We gonna do that shit. We gonna keep everything positive energy, man. Because positive energy activates constant elevation. I just want y'all to know that. I know y'all can barely see me, but I'm sitting in the car finna head in this place, man. I got a couple minutes out here. But yeah, once again, man, send a shout out to my big brother, man. Free Booby Banks, man. Free my big brother, man. Send a shout out to my sister, man. My fam, man. My wife. Kids and shit, man. And everybody that's going through something, man. Break that stress bubble, man. Stress ain't shit, man. Shake that shit off, man. Shake the haters off. Shake the stress off. Keep that shit moving, man. Cause we gonna make it. Definitely, man. Love everybody, man. Even love the haters, man. Once again, man. Have a good day. You know what I mean? And we out of here, man. Be easy, y'all.